Presenting the Kia 2019 Stinger GT2. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, all-wheel drive and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.